You might be having a problem of your Spotify AI DJ not showing. Well, you are in the right place because I'm going to give you ways on how to fix your DJ AI mode missing on Spotify. But first, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you are new to this channel, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, see if you have the capability to fix this problem. To know that, you can go and make a way over to your Spotify application, and when you come here, you might see a little music toggle at the very top left. So right here, all you want to do is go and click on music, and you're going to go ahead, and if you see a little AI DJ mode that comes up, now you're done. But if you did not see that AI DJ, you have to keep in mind that it's a premium feature. So if you do not have Spotify Premium and you didn't know that, go on the top bottom right corner and you'll see Premium. So if it tells you to sign up for Premium, you probably don't have it. But if you already upgraded on premium and end up still not showing up, the next thing you may want to go to is to make your way over to your app store and search up Spotify. And if you see update option in your Spotify application, please update it, and that may end up fixing the problem. If you tried all of that and it's still not working, well, that feature may not just be out of your area. So just wait until it's available in your area. That's the end of this video. If you know any solution on this problem, please comment down below and we are more happy to know them. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!